Welcome to school too. Girl, you're behind is a killer. I can see you sensual.
Hello, sister.
The way you wriggle and wave.
Yeah, you now.
Oh, really? How may I help you?
Actually, my name is Abarie.
Okay.
Yeah, I'm a big boy. People know me. I'm an importer, exporter. I travel abroad. I import, I export market. I import so many things.
Really?
Yeah, I mean,
Sorry, what do you export and what do you export?
phones. I import and export phones,
Wow.
different kind of phones, iPhone 8, iPhone 10, iPhone 50.
Really?
I'm a big boy. This is one of my cars. In fact, this is one of the cars I'm just managing.
Wow.
You know what? Maybe you should just give me your number too. Okay, yeah. Okay. 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 9595. I'll call it. Okay. So where exactly are you going to?
I want to get something down there.
Down here?
Yeah.
Oh, let me just walk you to there.
Wow, you're really big boy, I guess.
Yeah, I have a
Wow. Really? That is awesome.
Yeah. So where exactly do you say you are going to?
Oh, we actually want to get something here.
Eh.
Sorry, who's here?
What? Sorry, who's
You know you can be
Who is
prosecuted
here?
for
Who
that.
is this now?
Who is here? Oh?
Uncle Abarie. Say, you know there's no market.
My friend, will you get her? Do you know who you are
Say
talking to?
your market now. What's going on
Who
here?
is here? Oh?
This is market. It seems the person is not around. Come, let's go. Let's check somewhere else.
I don't know why somebody would just leave this market and just go out. Now we want to buy something. The person have missed his love.
Don't stress yourself. Don't stress yourself. Definitely the person might be far.
You live from somewhere else.
Are you seeing this thing? You see there? Don't worry.
Park this thing here now.
What? Phone card?
Hello, who is the owner of this thing?
Me, by me.
Who is the owner of this thing? Let's go to castle. Move it. And the Lagos law said that nobody should park anyhow or should be hawking. Yes. Hawking is an offense. Yes. So whoever that owns this goods should come and meet us in the council. Ticket you will not pay. You are little.
Why are you taking it to? The owner is not there.
Where is the owner of this goods?
Where's the owner of this?
Let the person come to the council. Let him come over to council to come and collect the goods. Move it. Let's go.
Wow, see how they just carry somebody in market. Hey, you know what will happen there? There's no
Oh, really?
You will go back like this.
You mean down there?
Yes, by this side.
Okay,
There's somebody telling there.
All right.
I will give you a call, okay? Oga. Oga, na me get market. Oga, beg na me get. Oga, na me get market.
School too.
Alright, ladies and gentlemen, I want to say a very big thank you to you for subscribing to our YouTube channel, man. It's not easy. For your love and trust. Promise to be giving a better gist you grab. So just watch out for the next episode. Keep watching School to go.